And Dr. Kingdom came to be our president, and he always was talking about to be the top university in the state and to ring true to what we believe it was the best for our students. So we decided that the Steinway Initiative would be the best for our department since several schools were becoming an All Steinway school. Having instruments and quality instruments in any music department, it is the same as having the best computers for your students in any department. So we are hoping that we will have that offered to any of our majors, minors, as well as community people that are now taking piano lessons or any other lessons in our department. The All Steinway School will bring excellency for our department, not only department, but the university in general. So we're looking forward to have that on our title. Steinways are considered the best pianos in the world. We have other two. They are also up to par with the Steinway. We have others that are not as much used and preferred. But the Steinways have longevity with their instruments and construction as well. We also are hoping to have an endowment which will maintain our instruments in case of breaking any parts of any instruments, as well as tuning and maintenance. So we are hoping that with that, the Steinway dealer as well as representative will help us to keep our instruments at least for the next 100 years. We have bought 11 Steinways. We have 6 upright Steinways serving offices as well as practicing rooms. We have 2 grand pianos serving the piano faculty studios. And we have 2 concert grands right now serving the concert instruments for our recital hour as well as concerts. And we have 1 housed in Old Main, which is serving as a venue for our concerts, faculty and students. Our department has grown in the past 18 years, and because of that, we still need 30 new instruments. The music department is asking for your help in accomplish this big step for us. We have a new building coming up, and we would like to have, with the inauguration of the new building, also a celebration of an All Steinway Initiative.